How's it going, everyone? This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in white titanium. This is the box that it comes in, and I was a little bit confused when I saw this box. It kind of looks like the same color as all of them because you don't really see that white, but it is the white one. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We've got these little tabs on the back right here. So we're gonna pull that tab down there, and then we're gonna pull this tab right here. There we go. And we'll move those aside, and then we will pull that right out, and we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Very nice in this really nice white color. We'll pull this piece off right here. So you can see that just shimmer in my lights right there. But here's your white titanium right here. So we have those nice curved edges that we had on the 15 Pro Max. And this white though, I'm liking this. This is a very nice kind of vibrant white color right there. You can see those lenses right there on the back. We can see that nice Apple logo, and it's a frosty matte white, but it's a very bright, pure white, which looks nice. There is our newest feature, the camera button that we have right here, which you can control your camera. So very cool that we have that included on this side right here. So we have our action button, we have the volume up and down, we have our SIM card tray. If you are in the US, I believe you will not get the SIM card tray. It's just an eSIM. I don't even use this because I use an eSIM anyways. Bottom, we have, of course, USB-C, which we saw on last year's iPhone. Your speaker microphones back there. On this side, that's a little antenna piece right here. We've got our power switch right there. And then, of course, there's that camera button. You can see the camera lenses stick out nicely. They do stick out. So you do want to put a case on there so you're not resting your phone on a camera when you put it down. But there again is that nice, pure white color of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We will put it down though, and I'm gonna put this little piece right there so we don't get those cameras all wrecked. We do have a USB cable, and it is USB-C to USB-C. If I can show you here, if we open it, there we go. USB-C to USB-C, plus the SIM card ejection tool right there. No Apple stickers though, a little booklet, which we don't really care about, but first time ever, we don't get the Apple stickers in there. So that is very unfortunate, but hey, you know what? I probably got a ton of them already, but there it is. That is your full unboxing of the white titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max.